There are luxury cars, and then there's the Mercedes-Maybach S680. A car so excessive, it makes a Rolls-Royce Phantom look like a business-class upgrade. This isn't just transportation. It's a rolling empire, built for people who don't drive. They get driven. Under the hood, a 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12, hand-built in a Falterbach, 621 horsepower, 664 pound-feet of torque, and a 0 to 60 time of 4.1 seconds, in something that weighs nearly 5,300 pounds. That's not acceleration. That's a luxury jet takeoff. But speed isn't the point. Silence is. The cabin is so isolated you could hear your heartbeat, or the sound of your chauffeur's dignity leaving his body. Open the rear doors, and it's like stepping into another dimension. Executive lounge seats with massage, heating, cooling, and recline, trimmed in Napa leather softer than clouds. Ambient lighting glows like a private jet cabin. And the Burmester 4D sound system literally vibrates through your seat. Even the fragrance system has its own Maybach exclusive scent. And if that's not enough flex, the two-tone paint job takes over a week to hand polish, and the chrome pinstripes are painted with brushes finer than human hair. Every inch screams obsession. Even the hood ornament, that classic three-pointed star, rises gracefully, like it knows it's part of royalty. But here's the question. At around $250,000, is the Maybach S680 worth it? Because beneath the handcrafted opulence, it's still an S-Class, just turned up to 11. Same chassis, same tech, but wrapped in an aura of untouchable luxury that no BMW 7 or Audi A8 can even approach. It's not about features, it's about status. The S680 isn't trying to impress you, it's reminding you that you've already won. But here's what makes the S680 truly special. It's not chasing trends. While everyone's downsizing, Mercedes kept the V12 alive. And not just any V12. You don't floor it, you command it. Every press of the throttle is met with that deep, dignified growl. A reminder that this isn't a car built to entertain. It's built to intimidate, quietly. And yet, beneath the calm, there's a sense of finality, because this might just be the last of its kind. The end of an era where engines were art, not algorithms, where craftsmanship mattered more than code. So when you see an S680 glide by, you're not just watching a luxury sedan, you're witnessing a mechanical masterpiece, crafted for the few who still believe that true luxury has soul. Because when the V12 era finally ends, the Maybach S680 will be remembered as the last great symphony of power and grace.